place on earth where the land surrenders to the sea, not with a final definitive gasp, but with an ongoing rhythmic exchange. A dynamic battlefront that stretches across the globe. This is the intertidal zone, between high and low tides, a world caught between two extremes. If you stand on a rocky shore, you'll witness nature's oldest show. Waves crash relentlessly, turning stone into sand over thousands of years. As life clings tenaciously to every crack, crevice and cranny. The intertidal zone is a lively landscape, its character shifting with the clockwork rise and fall of the tides. For hours it lies submerged, teeming with marine life. Then the sea recedes, revealing tide pools and rock. And, like an encore, the ocean returns to reclaim its territory. The intertidal zone combines a multitude of powerful forces. Rocks are battered by waves, scoured by wind, dried by the sun. Every plant and every creature in the intertidal zone is a pioneer of adaptation. From anemones with their vibrant tentacles, to clever octopuses, escape artists that can change colour and shape. It is home to an amazing cast of characters, perfectly tuned to the rhythms of the tide. But to thrive here is to endure change, salinity, temperature, and hunger. But to live on the edge is to evolve resilience, flexibility, and ingenuity. Despite its challenges, the intertidal zone is brimming with life. Nutrients carried on each tide feed a chain of creatures. From plankton to crabs, from shorebirds to sea otters, every tide fuels the next generation. The moon, that silent conductor of the tides, exerts a powerful influence, making the intertidal zone one of the most dynamic ecosystems on Earth. For billions of years, this rhythm has endured, shaping shores, sculpting life, and being a constant in a changing world. But now, the ever-growing footprint of humanity threatens this ancient ecosystem. Coastal development, pollution, and over-harvesting press upon these fragile margins, squeezing habitats into ever narrower strips of survival. Perhaps once a cradle of life, the intertidal zone has become an indicator of global change as its balance is threatened. Yet there is hope. The intertidal zone is proof of the resilience of life, a place where species adapt to forces as old as the earth. With care, we can give the coast the space it needs to heal again. This is where our story begins, at the ever-shifting frontier between land and sea. A world forged by the moon, shaped by time, and sustained by the endless rhythm of the tides.